Is it time to buy or sell NIO stock? In this video, we are diving deep into NIO. Our initial report was published on our website on Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analyses. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analyses for anyone among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since the 29th of October, 2024, our system has designated NIO as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 2.26. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of 13.39%. This equates to an average daily loss of 0.70% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The stock is currently fluctuating within a broad and horizontal trend, and further movements within this trend can be anticipated. The existing 3-month trend indicates a potential change of 1.47% over the next 3 months, with a possible return ranging from minus 20.5% to positive 52.11%. Regarding the 12-month trend, it suggests a change of minus 25.64% over the next year, with a potential return varying between minus 63.56% and positive 5.20%. This estimate translates to a price range of $1.77 to $5.10 after a year. Our latest daily update for NIO includes the headline: NIO stock price ended at $4.85 on Friday after gaining 2.97%. The NIO stock price gained 2.97% on the last trading day, which was Friday, the 22nd of November, 2024, rising from $4.71 to $4.85. It has now gained for 3 consecutive days. It will be interesting to see whether it continues to gain or takes a minor break in the coming days. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 7.19% from a low of $4.59 to a high of $4.92. The price has risen in 6 out of the last 10 days, but is still down by 4.62% during this period. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical sign, with a total of 11 million more shares traded than the day before. In total, 64 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $309,800,000. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price was $9.57, while the lowest was $3.61. Currently, the price is 49.32%, or $4.72, below the 52-week high, and 92.76%, or $62.14, below the all-time high on January 11, 2021, when the price reached $66.99. NIO's recent earnings report for the third quarter of 2024 has provided a mixed picture that could influence its stock performance in both the short and long term. While NIO posted record deliveries, the financial results fell short of expectations, revealing a wider net loss of 5.14 billion yuan compared to previous forecasts. This has led to some bearish sentiment as analysts have expressed disappointment over the production ramp and fourth quarter guidance, which anticipates deliveries of 72,000 to 75,000 vehicles. Despite these challenges, there are optimistic signals. The introduction of the new L60 vehicle and a focus on international expansion are seen as key growth drivers. NIO is aiming for profitability by the year 2026, which, if achieved, could significantly boost investor confidence. The recent announcement of Beijing's stimulus plan may also lend support to the electric vehicle sector, suggesting potential recovery in demand amid a wider economic revival. In the short term, the disappointing earnings report and guidance may keep NIO shares under pressure. However, the longer-term outlook remains positive, fueled by ongoing efforts to enhance production efficiency and increased market penetration. Investors weighing these developments should consider the volatility inherent in NIO's stock, which has struggled relative to its peers and the Standard & Poor's 500, particularly during periods of slower growth. Analyst ratings. On Monday, the 28th of October, 2024, it was reported that Wells Fargo assigned NIO an equal weight rating along with an upgrade action. On the same day, Macquarie rated NIO as outperform with an upgrade action. On Monday, the 30th of September, 2024, Citigroup granted NIO a buy rating while maintaining a hold action. On the same date, Morgan Stanley gave NIO an overweight rating, also with a hold. Additionally, on September 30th, Daiwa rated NIO as a buy while opting for a hold action. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to NIO stock. They classify the price-to-earnings ratio as a strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as a strong sell as well. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also indicate a strong sell rating for the stock. The following signals have been identified for NIO. Today, the stock is showing mixed signals. The NIO stock currently has a buy signal based on the short-term moving average. Conversely, the long-term average indicates a general sell signal. Since the long-term average is above the short-term average, this contributes to a more negative outlook for the stock. Should the stock experience further gains, it will face resistance from the long-term moving average at $5.27. If the stock declines, it will find support from the short-term average at $4.63. A breakout above the long-term average would signal another buy opportunity, whereas a drop below the short-term average would reinforce the sell signal and amplify the overall sentiment. A sell signal was triggered from a pivot top point on Wednesday, the 2nd of October, 2024, and since then, the stock has decreased by 32.73%. Continued decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Additionally, there is a current sell signal from the 3-month Moving Average Convergence Divergence, or MACD. Notably, volume is rising in tandem with the price, which is regarded as a positive technical indicator. Here are some additional signals that you may find intriguing. Moving Average Convergence Divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 38 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 8 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a buy signal from 4 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a buy signal from 21 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 27 days ago. Examining the 12-month chart, we observe the short moving average indicates a sell signal from 31 days ago. The long-term moving average suggests a sell signal from 10 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages shows a buy signal from 48 days ago. For more signals, please visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for NIO. NIO finds support from accumulated volume at $4.65. This level could present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is likely when the support is tested. The stock may experience significant movement throughout the day, indicating high volatility. With a large prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, this stock is categorized as high risk. Over the past day, the stock fluctuated by 33 cents between its high and low, which translates to a percentage change of 7.19%. In the last week, the average daily volatility of the stock has been 7.34%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for NIO, let's quickly cover some essential fundamental data. First, we should discuss the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric measures a company's current share price in relation to its earnings per share. A negative P/E ratio indicates that the company is experiencing negative earnings or is incurring losses. Even well-established companies can face downturns due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative P/E ratios may suggest a lack of profitability and pose risks of bankruptcy. In another update, the next earnings report for the fourth quarter of 2024 is anticipated on the 4th of March, 2025. Analyst consensus estimates currently stand at negative 370 cents. It is important to monitor these figures as they can significantly influence stock prices. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for NIO. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for NIO is at $5.02. If you do not own any shares, it may be prudent to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those who already hold the stock, this could serve as a consideration for swing trading. On the downside, NIO encounters its first support level at $4.65. If this support level holds, it could represent a favorable entry point, anticipating a rebound. The combined average rating for NIO from multiple analyst sources is to sell. The most recent insider trade for this stock occurred more than 3 months ago. The latest transaction took place on the 24th of February, 2016, when Citigroup Inc. executed an insider sale of 850 shares of variable rate demand preferred shares. Currently, we hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss established. Is NIO stock a good buy? NIO currently shows several negative indicators, leading us to believe that its performance will remain weak in the coming days or weeks. Consequently, we maintain a pessimistic outlook on this stock. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Monday, the 25th of November, we anticipate NIO to open lower, decreasing by approximately 6 cents, with an expected trading price of $4.79. We want to remind you that trading carries a significant risk of losing money. It is essential to consult with a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the purchase or sale of securities. Your investment choices should not be based solely on information from StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment decisions. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments. What is your target for this stock? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With warm regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.